Okay guys, so today is the day many people have been waiting for this video because this video is something that many people ask me to do. So this video is going to about how an Amazon virtual assistant can earn thousands of dollars through Amazon FBA, and how a freelancer can sell their services through Upwork, Fiverr and any other platform that you may like to sell your services. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mir and I'm the founder of mirwaleed.com. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how Amazon FBA virtual assistant can earn money through Amazon. As I explained in my previous video that in order to set up your Amazon account as an Amazon seller, you need to go through the process and you need to learn the skills that are required. Exactly is the same thing that you need to do as an Amazon virtual assistant or as a freelancer to earn money. So how Amazon virtual assistants can earn money without any investment. So that's one of the key points. So you don't have to invest any money to earn as a virtual assistant. I will tell you the reason, so watch the complete video, and if you have any questions you can post down on my comment section below, and if you like the video please give a thumbs up. So let's say I'm an Amazon seller. I have the money, let's say I have $20,000 to spend on Amazon, and I want my business to be set up on Amazon, but I don't want to work. Now what I will do as an Amazon seller, my mindset is that I don't want to work. My business needs to be set up on Amazon and I want to earn profits, right? But I need to find a person who can do that for me. So that is the person who is watching from this camera. So if you want to be a virtual assistant, you have to provide services to me in order to get my product launched. So for the services that you are giving to me, I will pay you for that, maybe monthly, maybe task wise, or maybe according to the skills that you have. Experienced people get a lot of charge a lot of money, but if you are a beginner, obviously people are not going to pay you much, and people will hire you for smaller tasks initially, and then eventually they will give you a bigger task to handle. So what an Amazon virtual assistant does is, like, let's say I have a Seller Central account, I have my business going on, and I am a brand. Let's say I'm a brand. Okay, I'm not a brand yet, but I am a brand, and my brand name is mirwaleed.com. So let's say I have this account of mirwaleed.com and I want to hire a virtual assistant. Now what's your job? Let's get on my computer screen and I will show you what you have to do. Okay guys, here we are. So in a few seconds or a few minutes I will explain you how the Amazon virtual assistant work, and I will show you the Amazon Seller Central, where I will show day-to-day tasks and the tasks that an Amazon virtual assistant have to do. But before going on, I will just put up the skills to you that which you can learn and which you can sell to Amazon sellers or Amazon brands, or sell your services to Upwork, Fiverr or Facebook groups to earn good amount of money. So the skills are product research, product sourcing, patent, keyword research, Amazon advertising, and Amazon Seller Central day-to-day management, Amazon reporting, bookkeeping, and there are a lot more about listing. So these are all the skills that you have to learn before start selling to someone. So you can start learning from without any investment. Like the videos that you are watching on my YouTube channel are going to be about these specific skills, and this will help all Amazon sellers, all Amazon virtual assistant who are at the beginner level, or who just want to be virtual assistant or freelancer who want to sell your services to Amazon brands or Amazon sellers. So now let me show you on my screen like how Amazon Seller Central works, or how it looks like, so you can have a better idea on what task you have to do. And let's go. So this is my website. I made this around maybe 2 years ago, or when I was new. So I just put everything that is needed to be required to to show to my clients my portfolio. So I have put all the skills or services that are that I'm providing. So you can make a website like this one. So let's go to the Seller Central. So here's the Seller Central, which I talk about in my previous videos as well. So basically this is dummy kind of Seller Central, you can say, because there are not many products active. So this is going to be active very soon. So so the first thing here is you can see a lot of tabs here, like catalog, inventory, orders, advertising. So this is the Amazon dashboard basically. So from here you control all your Amazon account basically. So the day-to-day task, or whether you want to check the inventory, you can check it from here. You want to do the advertising, you can check from the advertising section. If you want to upload the A+ content, which is basically the EBC content, which I will explain in my further videos. And Amazon reporting, basically you check all the reports from here, like the payments and the business reports and all. You can check the accounts held from the performance tab and much more. So let's say I have to upload a product on my Amazon Seller Central, which I'm going to sell. So you can add from catalog, like adding product, and you can list all your products through this section. If you want to see how many stock you have available on your warehouse, or on Amazon's warehouse, which means Amazon FBA. So you can see all the inventory from here. So you can tell your client, like you have this much of inventory left, like this product have only 11. Don't check out these all products, because I don't recommend anyone to sell anything any from here, because this is these are all out of stock, and these are kind of like products that are not still live on Amazon. So from basically this dashboard, or this Seller Central, you can check all the performance of the account. So let's say I am the Amazon seller and you are my virtual assistant, for example, right? So I pray that you will be an Amazon seller, and a 7-figure Amazon seller in future. So let's say you are a virtual assistant, and what I will do is from here I will go to the user permissions, and I will give permission to use my account. So you are the virtual assistant, I will use your email to give the permission here, and you can use my account. So I will give the access to all of these tabs, and you can check all the performance, daily sales, or anything you have to do. So I will pay you some monthly like monthly charges to you, or I will hire you from Upwork, Fiverr, or from Facebook or anywhere else. So I will give you this account, and you will perform your daily task from here. And that's how Amazon virtual assistant work. There is not a big rocket science basically. Although I know many of you will be new here on my YouTube channel, and you may be surprised by oh my god, what is going on here, and how to do these all tasks. So I will be teaching all these skills to you in my YouTube channel, and I will teach you how to use this Seller Central that you are right now seeing on my laptop screen. And I will tell you how product research works, product sourcing works, and how to check pattern, how to make a listing, how to do keyword research, how to write content, and how to run Amazon PPC, and much more. So product research and sourcing are not here. So for sourcing you have to check through Alibaba.com, and for product research you just need to jump onto Amazon or any other ideas that you get. And I will in future I will also teach you how to use the tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, and much more. So keep watching my videos. I hope you'll really like this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you have any questions you can comment down below, and I will I will make more videos on Amazon. So this is a series that is coming up. So these are the few videos to introduce Amazon to you, so you will have a more clear understanding in future once you start learning the actual skills. So keep subscribing, keep commenting on my YouTube videos, and I will see you soon all. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.